What's up, y'all? It's your girl Sasha P back at it again, bringing you real gardening, good food, and entertainment. Today, I'm going to be preparing some salmon that I found from Aldi. This is a really good deal. Check that price out. $5.61 for 2 nice size pieces. Let's go. I'm feeling like doing something a little different today. So I'm going to do a garlic lime tajin salmon. This is all I'm going to be seasoning with. Salt, garlic powder, tahini. I'm going to put some minced garlic on the situation, some lime juice, and lime slices. I want this salmon to be really, really juicy, so I'm going to put a little bit of chicken broth in the bottom of the pan. Not much, probably about a tablespoon. Wash your fish off before you put it in the pan and whatnot. Okay? Okay. Give it a little space. Now I'm about to go in with the seasonings. Salt first. Okay, so I just seasoned it lightly with a little bit of salt. Now I'm going to go in with the garlic powder. Y'all, this is an easy recipe. I'm going to season this fish right in the pan. Ain't nobody got time for that. I'm hungry and I'm ready to eat. Tahini. Don't be stingy with the tahini now. Is that enough? Nope. Put some more. Okay. Alright. I'm going to take about this much garlic and put it in the bottom. And it ain't garlicky enough. Let's put a little bit more. Then you want to stir it around the bottom. Since I added more garlic, I'm going to put a little bit more chicken broth. So that's going to be like maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons. Okay. All right, butter. Put some butter on top of that fish. Put some butter on top of that fish. Okay, cut that lime up into chunks. Throw it off in there. Now I'm going to squeeze some lime juice on top. Get all that pulp and everything. Just squeeze it on there. This is a really quick and easy recipe, y'all. I ain't say it wasn't going to be messy. You want to tilt the pan a little bit. Get some of that lime broth, that lime garlicky broth, and you want to spoon it over the fish before you put it in the oven. Yeah. See, that way I didn't have to put the garlic on top of the fish. Just spoon it on there like that. All right, now she ready to go into the oven. 400 degrees. Made me a quick little cucumber salad. It's just cucumbers, tahini, and some banana pepper juice. So good. I need some fresh on the side. You know what I'm saying? All right. So the fish is ready. I let it cook for 20 minutes. These pieces are not that thick. All right. So let's serve it up. As you can see, most of the liquid cooked off. That's what it's supposed to do. It's going to be just a little bit of liquid. So I'm going to spoon what's left on top of the fish. Spoon it over that fish. It ain't a lot, but it's very intensely flavored with the tahini and the garlic. Garlic lime tajin salmon. Don't that look good? Thank y'all so much for watching this video, and I'll see y'all on the next one. I know some of y'all want to know what it's hidden for. It's so refreshing. Garlicky, limey. Very yummy. I always cook the skin on my salmon. I keep it on there because it keeps the fish moist. But I don't eat the skin. I just eat it like, you know what I'm saying? Like this or whatever. But anyway, let me eat my food. Bye.